Koe nei ngā pauaka pōti kia kite ai ko waika ko paua e ngā iwi o Tauranga ki te kaunihera o te whaitua. Have you guys voted for this year's Tauranga elections?
Yes.
No, but I'm going home to do it now, make the decision.
I think if you don't vote, then you can't really complain whether things are going good or not.
The campaign's been awesome. It's definitely not what I expected it to be. But the communities, the people that I've connected with, the events that I've attended to, I've been really well received, and people, at least that I've connected with, have been really interested in the selection and what all the candidates are standing for and running for. So, it's been awesome, man. Loved it.
He uri no ngā tīporau, kua roa e mahi ana I te ao tai ao, ko Hautapu Baker tētahi o ngā Māori kua tū I tō naringa.
What we've heard loud and clear from constituents, from residents, from even our tamariki, is that they want a council that gets on. And at least with the representatives that I've seen from across the city, it is one of the things that we're all striving to achieve, is a council that gets on together. A council that can work collaboratively together regardless of opinions or positions on certain matters, because all eyes are going to be on Tauranga. We haven't had democracy in a long time, and after what we experienced, it's important that this incoming elected council gets things right.
I will do it every time until we've built enough momentum at the hapu and the iwi level where our people know it is normal and necessary for us to stand. So one of my measures for success in terms of Māori participation as candidates in local elections is I want us to be so fluent at this process that even non-Māori ask, I wonder who they're putting up this time.
Ko Suari Barau tētahi anō kua tū I tō naringa mō te tūru wāri Māori o te Awanui. Aha kua kairaro rawa, te nama o ngā hunga, kua pōti I roto I tēnei pōtitanga.
Previously, I've talked about disenfranchisement, so being disenfranchised from the process. Māori interests have traditionally not been served, but I think there's some real positives that we can take from our local trends and voting patterns. And I'm proud of every Māori voter who voted in the Tawanui ward. So I have a saying in my family, don't worry about who didn't show up to the meeting, because what point is there in that? Celebrate those who did.
Kua tai te wā mō Tauranga ki te pōti ko waika eke ki ngā tūru mō te kaunihera.
Don't come moaning about, this hasn't been done. Well, you've got the time to vote, that's what you do.
I feel like Māori has to have a voice in whatever's going on around, around Tauranga.
Hei te rua te kaumātoru o tēnei marama ka ki te tātou ko waika hua ki ngā tūru kaunihera o Tauranga moana. Keira Williams, ma Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.